Amid speculation of rift within the Maha Vikas Aghadi government in Maharashtra, Sena mouthpiece Samna has penned down its party's qualms with the Congress. Today's Samna editorial say that after 6 months of alliance government, Congress has started complaining. The editorial adds that the chief minister's decisions are always final and even Sharad Pawar follows them in a cryptic metaphor. The article said that there is always a disagreement between two brothers in a family. If there are any complaints, they can be discussed. Mayuresh joining me on the phone line. Mayuresh, couple of things in that particular editorial is glaring. Firstly, it says that the chief minister is supreme, and at this point of time, we are also getting to know that from this particular editorial, what the Shiv Sena seems to be suggesting is that the Congress is complaining without real grounds for complaint. Is that the message coming through?
That's the message, and Afrida also editorial clearly suggests that whatever the demands Congress is having, especially the equal seats in the council election, but what editorial clearly says that Shiv Sena had sacrificed while forming this Maha Vikas Aghadi. They had given one cabinet berth to NCP. They had given they had promoted two state ministers of Congress to the cabinet rank. So certainly Shiv Sena or Shiv Sena's mouthpiece clearly says that Shiv Sena has done a lot in this Maha Vikas Aghadi, and now Congress after 6 months have started complaining it. Yes, Uddhav Thackeray have to listen to the complaints, but somewhere Congress also needs to understand that this is the tri-party government. There must be some disagreement on some particular issues, but that can be easily worked out. Even in the editorial, the Samna clearly says that yes, Congress is basically complaining about the bureaucrats not listening to their orders, not listening to their demands, and they are not acting the way Congress leaders or the government wants. But that can be easily sorted out, because after all bureaucrats are the public servant, they are government servant, and CM is the supreme. So they have clearly suggested that everything can be worked out. There is no need to do a complaint. But also a last message which they have given, that if someone is thinking that there is a rift within the Maha Vikas Aghadi and they get a chance to establish the government, but that is not going to happen.
Right. Also, Mayuresh, if I read it correctly, it says that there is a certain amount of disagreement over the MLC seats, and Shiv Sena seems to be suggesting that the party has been more than generous in allotting seats, and therefore that should not be the ground for any kind of complaint.
Absolutely, Afrida, because since yesterday we were basically reporting that how Congress is demanding the equal seats should be distributed, because there are 12 vacant seats for the MLC, and Congress is demanding that they should get the equal share. But here, the Samna editorial clearly suggests that Congress, Shiv Sena has done a lot of sacrifices, and they were generous while distributing the seats or the ministerial berth. Because if we see the tally, Shiv Sena is somewhere around 64 with his ally. NCP is 54 and Congress is 44. So the editorial clearly says that if we go by the equal share, certainly whatever the Shiv Sena has given, they were more generous while distributing that, and there is no need to complain about it.
All right, thanks for joining us, Mayuresh, with the latest perspective on the Samna editorial.